How to join someone on Roblox with their joins off. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To join someone on your Roblox with their joins off, first and foremost, reach out to your Roblox application or website. Make sure to log in into your account. Now at the very top you will see a search bar. Go ahead and search for the username of the person that you wish to join. Tap on the person's name in People. After which, Roblox will provide you with various of suggestions. Tap on the user that you wish to join. Now as you can see that the join has been off and you neither want to be a friend with them. In that case, tap on the three dot and click on the follow button. After this, you'll be able to join the person on their Roblox even if their joins are off or without actually being friends with them. Isn't this simple, quick and simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.